What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country on your Google Merchant account. Now, I'm going to show you where to find this and then I'm going to explain the process for how to change it. So within your account, you click on settings here and click on business info, then click on edit business details. And from here, you will find your country. And as you can see right here, it doesn't allow you to change it. And you will be wondering, how am I able to change this? As you can see right here, once you hover over this little I information, it says that you selected your country when you register your merchant account on the merchant center and the settings cannot be changed. So what does that simply mean? It simply means that in order for you to change the country on your merchant account, you'll have to close your account and create a new one. Sadly, but that's the only way, right? So you will need to go ahead and close your account. And to close your account, go ahead and go to, for example, the general settings right here on the left hand side on the settings. So click on general. And then from here, you scroll down under the account setup on the bottom. And here you have close merchant center account. Choose yes and close your account, right? And so that's how you'll be able to close your account. And from there, you can always create a new merchant account. And you can even do it under a different email address if you want to. And then from there, you'll be able to select a different country. But there's no way how to do it once you set it. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.